Yo guys, so we are here at Pandora and I've come to get my Deranged transit van all armed and secured. I've got the system on literally near enough all of my vehicles, and it's time to get this one secured because I've got the quads in the back. So stay tuned and big up Pandora UK.
Hey guys, it's Matt here at Pandora HQ. Today we're working with the one and only DMO, and we've got this brand new Deranged transit custom in. Now, DMO's got systems, Pandora systems on all of his vehicles, but today this one needs a security boost. So this Smart Pro is going to give DMO the ability to immobilize the vehicle straight from his phone while it's in motion. He can track it, he can get calls and texts if the alarm is triggered or a sensor goes off. So DMO's just dropped off his Deranged transit custom, and now we're doing our thing, fitting the Smart Pro with remote engine start. We're going to take you for the day, show you the system, and show you exactly what you get with the Pandora. We've finished DMO's Deranged Transit Custom. This thing's fully loaded with features. It's got 2 immobilization points. It's got a dual shock sensor, it's got a tilt sensor, a motion sensor, an internal sensor, and we've even added additional Bluetooth shock sensors onto the side and rear doors to protect from tampering. This means that if anyone's messing with the vehicle, they're kicking the wheels, they're trying to bash the door in, they're trying to move the vehicle, DMO's getting a text, he's getting a call, and he can see what's going on. Now with this, you also get anti-hijack. If for whatever reason DMO's getting pulled out of the vehicle and a thief drives off with a van, it's gonna start automatically, keep DMO and the car safe. Let's check out the remote start. To remote start this, all you have to do is hold down this button on the app. It'll go through a sequence of security checks, and a few seconds later, the van starts. Now, something that's super cool with the remote start is you can set it to remote start at any time in the day or week. So if you want to use it for 8 o'clock in the morning on a Monday, it can remote start at 8 o'clock in the morning on Monday. Now, let's say you're abroad and you get a notification to say your battery voltage has dropped. You can actually set the remote start to automatically start the engine if the battery voltage dips below a certain amount. Or you get the notification come through, you remote start your car, and essentially you've got a trickle charger. Now, Pandora is well known to be the most advanced systems on the market today. Now, Pandora start from £399.99 fitted, and they're all completely upgradable. Even the base package, you can add remote start, tracking, or turn into an alarm system at a later date. But if you want DMO's system, it all comes built in, and it's quite literally one of the most advanced systems available in the world today.